Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit, it's like kind of like a throwback. I need to start reviewing more products on my channel, you know, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So today we're going to be reviewing something by IT Cosmetics, and I'm really stoked to try this out because I did try this mascara in a video and I was pretty pumped about it. I just like did a couple coats on my eyeball, but today I'm actually going to be trying it out. So it's the IT Cosmetics Superhero Eyeliner and Superhero Mascara. These actually have like super long names, which I'm not even going to pretend that I've memorized it. So the mascara is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Okay, and then the Superhero Liner is a 24-hour waterproof Easy Glide liquid gel super liner. It's like 10 words. If you've been here for a while, or if you're new, to be honest, on any, you know, on a good day, my eyelashes are still like pieces of shit. Like they're straight, they kind of like come down and cover my eye. I have like a gap here because my lashes just like grow crooked. Like my lashes aren't cute. That's why I pretty much wear false lashes every single day if I'm gonna glam myself up. These lashes are crap. So if you have crap lashes like me, let's see if this will work, okay? I have this little cue card here that IT Cosmetics sent along with these products. So this says it's a top 5 bestseller, okay? I'm also gonna be using it in the shade black. I don't know if it comes in other ones, don't know. It says exclusive elastic stretch technology for volume and length, lash changing power brush for maximum reach, lift, and separation, super buildable formula for custom lash power results, super black pigment plus collagen, biotin, and peptides to condition as you coat, and game-changing patent pending design. And this little sucker does retail for $32 Canadian. As always, I'm Canadian, so I'm talking in Canadian prices. I really love the packaging of this. If I was to ever like come out with something, like I feel like this is kind of like me. I really like the packaging. The brush is like kind of tapered down to the center, and it has like a coiled ring as you would see in like a typical like spoolie that you could buy, like an individual spoolie. That's kind of how the brush is. So it says it has collagen, biotin, and peptides. So this over time will obviously help your lashes grow and look fuller and more voluminous because you are putting all of those ingredients onto your eyelashes, which is sick. Now for the eyeliner kind of has the same packaging. It's just like a little bit thinner. And I do believe I'm going to put the eyeliner on first because that's what I would do on any typical day. I do have a little card here for the eyeliner as well. It's paraben free, it's cruelty free. It has 24-hour waterproof wear. It's supposed to be an easy glide liner pen to give you an effortless application, and it also has proprietary elastic stretch, no skip technology, and triple black pigment to make it super black. I do really like the brush on here. It is a brush tip. I can kind of like feel the little feathery tips there of the brush hairs if I do pull it, and like it does go super fine. I'm so excited to try this on the eye. I haven't tried this liner on my eye yet, but like, hey, I can get down with that. It also says that the eyeliner as well has the peptides, collagen, biotin, and keratin, plus oil absorbing kaolin clay. I don't know. Eyeliner also does retail for $32 as well, which I find that's kind of expensive for an eyeliner, no? Ooh. So I'm gonna zoom you in and we're gonna try this little puppy out. All right, now that you guys are super close, I put on, oh my God, you guys, I put on this seaweed mask from the Body Shop and it completely broke me out. My skin was doing so well. And then, well, my sister put it on me actually, but I asked her to. And it completely broke me out. Anyway, so with this eyeliner, you can see like the cute little tip. It's so precise. Now, my eyes, I don't have the greatest shape for a wing liner either. Like I have like so much lid space and then it just kind of folds here. So it's not the best, but we are going to attempt to do something here. So I think I'm just going to start with just lining my eye in a basic fashion. Ooh, you can get it so thin. Oh my God, that's nice. And I always pull like a little thicker, as you can see, like I went up a little bit just to accentuate the thickness of my lash line. Wow, it dries super fast. Okay, now because I'm old as F, I'm just like bending down here and I'm just gonna pull my eye just so I can make that line super sharp. No matter what, my eye will always skip there just because I have so much extra skin here. Like, hello, so much skin, it'll just skip. But that looks hella nice. It dries down to a nice matte black formula. Wow, what do we think? So black. So on this eye, I did a little bit of like a little micro wing. This is what I would call a micro wing because it's like not super big, but it's not super little. Now, because I do have so much skin here, like it's so hard to get a precise, sharp tip. So I usually always have to like fiddle diddle with over here. Okay, that looks really good. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I'm really digging that. It's so black and matte. Holy shit. It's like a dark, deep black hole. All right, so I think at this point, I'm just going to maybe mirror it to the other side, I guess. All right, there we go. I added just like a little point just to, you know, add a little sass, pizzazz, you know. They're pretty even. They're even enough for me. I don't really care. I really like this eyeliner. I don't think that it has that like like elastic stretch, no skip technology. I think that for it to be not skippable, you actually have to have tight skin in order to do that. So like for me, I would just pull my eye, but like, I don't know. That's a tricky thing to claim, but I do really like how black this is. And I will definitely be using this again. That is so dope. So now for the eyelashes, you guys, we're gonna go into the mascara, and I am going to curl my lashes first because look at them. And they suck. So I have my Shoot Amora eyelash curler here. This is the best one. I love this to death. And we are just going to curl. First of all, let's just do a before and after, okay? So these are my lashes before. Yeah, they suck. Let's curl them. I usually just like pump my eyelash curler on my lashes as well. I don't know why, I've just always done that. And I usually double curl them. Try and get really close to the root. And then I'll pull out a bit and curl the ends. So then there's not only one curl in it, but it's all curled. Okay, so we got a pretty good curl there. I'm gonna zoom you in a bit more. You can kind of see the gap in my lashes right here. I don't know why, but my lashes just there's a gap there. Not from them falling out particularly, but just from them, I think, growing wrong ways. I have the Superhero mascara here. Smells like mascara. I love the smell of mascara. I'm also a freak though. Okay, so how I usually apply mascara is I go right to the base, I kind of wiggle, and then I will pull out a bit. Oh my, this is so black. I really do like the wand actually. I can get really close. And another thing I do with my lashes, which you guys might find kind of maybe annoying, is I do go really slow when I do pull up because I find that it's almost like drying as I'm pulling up. Oh, I got a little spot up there. So that's what I'm going to do. This is really wet formula though, and I'm not sure if that's gonna necessarily be working in my favor because I feel like it's just pulling the curl of my lashes down. But that's one coat. I'm gonna do the bottom because my bottom lashes, I really do like my bottom lashes. They're pretty bomb. This whole time I haven't stuck my brush back in the tube. I think I'm going to right now just to re-coat this. The thing with my lashes right now is I'm just gonna tilt back so maybe you guys can see. Nope, still can't because they're just so straight. Maybe I'll tilt down, I don't really know. I feel like there's so much product on my lashes right now. Can you guys see that? It's like impossible because they suck. I'm afraid if I go in with a second coat, they're gonna be so super thick, but I'm just gonna try it just cause. You guys see this? Man, I'm keep touching up here. There's like so much product on it. Ah! This is why I don't wear mascara alone, because my eyelashes literally suck. Like, I feel like if someone looked at me right now, they'd be like, oh my god, your eyelashes actually are awful. Because they are. So I'm gonna leave that as is. That is 2 coats of the mascara, as thick as I think I can get it. I'm gonna move over to the other eye. I think for my left eye, I'm just gonna leave it and not curl my lashes, just so you guys can see what my eyelashes look like without me curling them. Like, it makes a difference. Okay guys, there are the 2 sides. Can you even tell that I had curled my right eyelashes? Not really, but when you do tilt my head, you can kind of actually see the curve of where I curled in comparison to here where it's just like actually straight and gross. Like, these are like gross. Oh my god. Why do my eyelashes suck so bad? Zoom you out a bit so we can talk about these suckers. So let's talk about the eyeliner first. I actually really do like this eyeliner. I think it's really nice and I'll definitely be using this again. Not so sure about the no skip technology. If you do have a lot of like skin on your eyelids like I do, it's kind of inevitable. And you do have to pull it a little bit tight. So just keep that in mind. But great eyeliner, super pigmented. I love how matte and how black it is. And I'm also really impressed that my eyes aren't watering from it. My eyes typically get like super watery and it'll always bleed up in this inner bit here. So it hasn't yet, so hallelujah. Now, as far as the mascara goes, I'm gonna start off by saying my eyelashes suck. Would I use this mascara now that I have it? Absolutely. $32 for a mascara is kind of pricey for me, and even for an eyeliner as well. That's kind of like, it's pricey. It is a cosmetics though, so, you know, it's their price range. It's to be expected. The thing with this is, you know how like you typically need 2 coats of mascara? I think this mascara has kind of like changed the game in the sense that you don't need more than 1 coat. Like, 1 coat does the trick for your lashes. And I believe that if you have like gorgeous lashes already, this is going to be a great mascara for you because it's just going to coat them beautifully, kind of like how you can see like my bottom lashes. Although I did put 2 coats here, so there's quite a bit of mascara on my lash, so just keep that in mind. But I think if you have really straight lashes that are already weighed down and don't stay upright, I think you're gonna have a little bit of trouble with this guy giving you any lift and any curl, because I found that because it does deposit so much onto your lash at one time, it kind of just weighs it down and it's super wet and it just weighs down. That's what I think. That's my opinion. I could be wrong, but probably not. Anyway, that is my review of the IT Cosmetics Superhero Eyeliner and Superhero Mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can you guys let me know in the comments if you guys can tell that I curled these lashes? Just like, can you just leave a comment for me and let me know? I am actually going to just try and curl my eyelashes right here, right now. Let's do this side. Just so I can see if I never curl my eyelashes after I have mascara on. So this is like really breaking the rules for me. I'm gonna go really gently. Oh, that did nothing because the mascara is still so wet. Oh my, it's been like 5 minutes though. Okay, it's all on here. Oh boy. Okay, we're not curling my lashes. It's, you know, I live with it. I'm good with having straight lashes. I'm good with wearing false lashes every day. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye guys.